Pika Pika. Hi everybody. Hi everybody. It's Pika 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 Pika. Pika 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 Pika. Ooh, look what we have. Nom nom. Nom nom. Pika Pika. Do you want your num nums? What do you think? What do you think, handsome boy? Pika. You're all poofy. You're all fluffy. Look at that crown. What are you doing, Pika? Pikachu, what are you doing? Pika, Pika, Pika. What are you doing? What are you doing? Nom, nom, nom. Nom, 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 nom. Pika, Pika, Pika. Huh? Where'd it go? There it is. Peekaboo. Nom, nom. Pika. Oh, big yawn. Are you tired? Are you tired, Pika? See, the sun went down and Pika's tired. Are you Pika Pika tired? Are you ready to go night-night? Pika, you want to go night-night? Night-night. Do you want to go night-night? Yeah? You want to go night-night? What was that? Pika 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 Pika. You gonna do it, Pika? Pika 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 Pika. Pika 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 Pika. Pikachu! Pikachu! Pikachu, Pikachu, Pika Pika Pikachu. Shall we do the good morning song? Good morning, good morning. Da 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 da. Good morning to you. Pika 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 Pika. Good morning, good morning. Da 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 da. Good morning to you. Pika 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 Pika. Are you gonna do it now? You don't feel like singing tonight? You don't feel like singing tonight, Pika? Oh, you're so tired. All right. I guess it's time for bed then, okay? Ready for night-nights? Pika Pika. Ready to go night-night? Night-night. Night, night, Pika, Pika, Pika. Oh, night, night. Can I have kisses? Mama have kisses? Mm. Pika, Pika. You're so fluffy. What do you think? What do you think, Pika? You think I'm tired, don't you? That's what Pika's thinking. Pika is thinking, I'm tired. Leave me alone. Let me go to bed. You know, the funny thing is, 2 minutes ago he was singing and chirping and performing. And now he's getting ready to go to sleep. The minute you turn on the camera, that's when they stop. Right, Pika? Right, Pika? Pika, 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 Pika. Oh, Pika. Pika, Pika. Night, night. Let's see if we can see Sunny in there. Hi, Sunny. Hi, Sunny. Hi, Sunny. Sunny. Yeah, pretty girl. Hi, Sunny. What, Pika? Sunny. Sunny's relationship with Pikachu is actually improving very well, but her relationship with us is taking a little bit longer, which is not a bad thing. It's very much normal for them to have their own time frames on things and to not feel comfortable with certain things and comfortable with other things. Where you going, Sunny? Pika, Pika. Here you go. Ooh. Nom nom. Ooh, Pika. Pikachu. You want some? See how spoiled they are? I offer them treats, they're barely interested. I'm just joking. He was eating on that treat earlier. There is Sunny. Hi, Sunny. Hi, pretty girl. You coming to show off? Huh? Are you coming to show off? Hi, Sunny. Oh, pretty girl. Hi, Sunny. Sunny. Hi, Sunny. Hi, Sunny. Hi, Sunny. You want a treat? It's okay. There she goes. Just gotta give her room. Give her time. She'll come around eventually. She'll realize nothing bad's happening. The only time we touch her is when we help her about something. Right, Pika? And she'll keep watching how we act with Pika and how he trusts us and how much he likes us. Right, Pika, Pika, Pika? Oh, you're so tired. Night, night, Pika. And go night, night? And go cuddle with your girl and go night, night? All right, baby. Night, night, Pika. Pika. Can you say night, night? Pika, 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 Pika. Say night, night, everybody. Night, night, everybody. You give kisses? Oh, you got a good big yawn? Okay. All right, Pika, tell everybody. Say, if you like my cute face, hit that like button. Don't forget to hit the like button for my cute face. And share the video so everybody can see my cute face. And subscribe if you want to keep seeing videos about Pikachu, and Pretty Bird, and Sunny, and how we as a family enjoy these cute birds. Pretty Bird being our pet goose, and Pikachu and Sunny being our pet cockatiels. And then also we enjoy your comments, and we do try to read them. We read all of them. We do try to reply to every single one of them. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, we hope you stick around for more, because these guys are adorable and lots of fun. Alright, Pikachu. Say bye-bye, everybody. Say night-night. Say sleep tight. Night-night. This is what he does when it's bedtime. His excuse to stay awake is he gets cuddly. As soon as he knows it's bedtime, he gets cuddly. Right, Pika Pika? Yeah. And he gets away with it for a little while at least. Yes, I know, we spoil them too much. Is there even such thing as spoiling a sweet bird too much? Like Pretty Bird or Pikachu or Sunny? I don't know. I guess that's debatable, right, Pika? What do you think, baby? Oh, what was that? That was Pretty Bird. It's okay. Alright, everybody. Good night. See? Night-night. Pika say night-night. Night-night, everybody. Night-night. Night-night. Look at that face. Night-night. Cuddles? Night-night. Look, there's his ear. A rare thing in birds. You don't see their ears very often. Night-night.